Looking for the best blenders for smoothies? To suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get started. Number 1. Vitamix 5200. If you're on a quest for the holy grail of smoothie blending, look no further than the Vitamix 5200. It's our top choice, and for good reason. Sure, it might feel like overkill for your occasional berry banana concoction, but this powerhouse is your new best friend when you're craving creamy, dreamy blends that are as versatile as your adventurous taste buds. With a generous 64-ounce jar, the Vitamix 5200 can tackle even the most fibrous fruits and veggies like a boss. Don't let its size fool you. The smart narrow jar design ensures that whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast smoothie for one or dazzling friends with a large batch, this blender has got your back. Plus, the construction is solid enough to withstand your kitchen dance parties. The easy-to-use speed dial and pull switch mean you'll be blending like a pro in no time. Just remember, it won't stop on its own, so keep an eye on your masterpiece to achieve that perfect consistency. A slight catch: you only get one jar. If you fancy personal-sized smoothies more than the occasional gathering, consider snagging a separate personal jar. With the Vitamix 5200, you're not just blending, you're unleashing your inner smoothie guru. So go ahead, blend boldly. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best blenders for smoothies. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments. Number 2. Ninjab BN301 Nutri Blender Plus. Are you ready to revolutionize your smoothie game without turning your kitchen into a gymnasium? Meet the Ninja Nutri Blender Plus, your new best friend in healthy, hassle-free living. It's compact enough to fit in the tiniest kitchens, perfect for those of us who believe in using every inch of counter space for our aspirations and maybe a tiny plant or two. Don't let its petite size fool you. This little dynamo packs a punch with a mighty 900 watts, making short work of fresh and frozen fruits. Say goodbye to lumpy smoothie and hello to velvety perfection. Just toss your ingredients into one of the 3 generous 20-ounce cups, remembering that a splash of liquid is the secret sauce for blissful blending. Once you've secured the blade lid, flip that baby upside down, plop it on the base and push down to unleash a whirl of nutritious goodness. With 3 twist and spout lids included, your smoothie can follow you anywhere, from the morning rush, to the gym, or even just a zen moment on your couch, measuring in at a mere 4.7 by 4.7 x 13. 8 in, the Ninja Nutri Blender Plus is the ideal sidekick for your health journey. So go ahead, embrace your inner health guru and let this compact powerhouse help you sip your way to a more vibrant smoothie style. Before we reveal. Number 3. Vitamix explorian E310. Meet your new kitchen sidekick, the Vitamix explorian E310, the blender that knows what you want. Smoothies so silky they could walk the runway. With a straightforward interface and a dazzling array of 10 variable speeds, it doesn't matter if you're tossing in delicate strawberries or challenging nuts, this little powerhouse has your back, delivering smoothies that are smoother than your best pickup line. Worried about kitchen space? Fret not. The E310 48-ounce container strikes a perfect balance between capacity and a size that won't make you choose between storage and your morning smoothie. Its squat design slips effortlessly under cabinets, a stealthy ninja in your kitchen arsenal. And let's talk cleanup, because nobody wants to spend an eternity scrubbing. With a dishwasher-safe tamper and lid, you're 3 ninja moves away from a sparkling clean blender. More time enjoying your creations. Yes please. Whether you're navigating a busy morning or prepping a post-workout pick-me-up, the E300 has the versatility to match your lifestyle. You're just a blend away from delicious nutrient-packed goodness tailored to your tastes. So go ahead, toss in those greens, dream big, and make your kitchen the envy of all smoothie aficionados. With the Vitamix explorian E310 at your side, you'll elevate your blending game and your taste buds like never before. Number 4. NutriBullet Pro 900. Looking to whip up smoothies that are smoother than your morning playlist? Meet the NutriBullet Pro 900. Your new best friend in the kitchen. This powerhouse packs a punch with a whopping 900 watts, leaving both the Magic Bullet and original NutriBullet eating its dust. Say goodbye to pesky chunks interrupting your sipping. Your smoothies will be perfectly blended in no time. Now let's talk convenience. The NutriBullet Pro 900 lets you blend right in the cup, so you can go from chopping to sipping in a flash. Just seal it up with one of the snug lids and you're ready to conquer the world, or at least your busy morning. Fair warning, while it's not entirely leak-proof, treat it with a bit of TLC and you'll be sipping away without a care. Operating this blender is easier than deciding what to binge-watch next. Just push and twist to blend your favorite ingredients in less than 60 seconds. With a spacious 24-ounce capacity, there's plenty of room for all your smoothie dreams. Whether you're fueling up for a workout or just making a yummy breakfast, and let's not forget about style, choose from a dazzling array of colors that will make your kitchen pop. Ready to elevate your smoothie game? The Nutri Bullet Pro 900 is calling your name. Still searching for the perfect blender for smoothies? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 5. Ninjab BL610 Professional. Are you on the lookout for a blender that won't rob you of your hard-earned cash but still packs a punch? Look no further than this Ninja model. With a mighty 1000 WTS of blending power, it's ready to tackle a whopping 72 of your favorite ingredients at once. Think family smoothie marathons or sumptuous soup batches. This blender has got your back. Imagine whipping up fruity concoctions with frozen berries and ice. Heavenly smoothies await. Just a little tip: for best results, be generous with the liquid. It's the secret sauce to that velvety smooth consistency you crave. Sure, it offers 3 speeds and a pulse option for your kitchen creativity, but let's be honest, it sounds like a small jet taking off. So if you're an early bird or a night owl, you might want to schedule your blending sessions accordingly to avoid waking the entire household. Now let's talk user-friendliness. With straightforward controls, you'll be whipping up deliciousness in no time, and when you're done, cleaning this Ninja is a piece of cake. So if you're ready to unleash your inner culinary genius without emptying your wallet, this budget-friendly powerhouse is calling your name. Just brace yourself for a little blender roar while you create your next masterpiece.